everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new items. This is going to be a gas steam oven. Okay, now it's going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. If you take a look at the front of this unit, you'll be able to locate the brand as well as a plate here with all the specs, all the information on this oven. This oven is certified by the health department. You can see all the certifications on there as well. Now I want to go ahead and start off by measuring the unit for you, and then we'll go ahead and talk about more. So for the length, you're looking at a total of 35 inches. For your depth, it'll be about 43 up until the back of the piping over here in the back. Okay, so 43 inches. Now overall height, it'll be 61.5, and then we're gonna go ahead and measure including the oven. You'll be looking at about 70 inches high. Okay, 70 inches high, including the oven. Okay, so those are your measurements for this steam oven. Now also, in the front, we have our knee-operated fire lever. Okay, so that's gonna be on the front. Now, I wanna go ahead show you the two parts. Okay, so it's gonna be two parts. You can go ahead and take this out. Obviously, as you can see, it has the handles on the side, so you can take this out. So it's two parts to this unit, two parts. Obviously, this is gonna be the oven where you can place your product, your food. We're gonna go ahead and open these up. It is gonna be double, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and open these up, show you the inside. Obviously, we have where you're gonna place your racks here, handles. You have two for each section. Okay, so we got two for each section. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and measure this for you. Okay, I'll measure for you so you have an idea what kind of racks you're gonna be placing on the inside. So front to back, you're looking at 23 by 19.5. 23 by 19.5. Okay, so that's gonna be that. They're not adjustable. It's only gonna be one level. Okay. Now, you follow me over to the back. I'll show you the back of this unit where you can locate gas inlet. I'm sorry, the water inlet and gas inlet on the bottom. Okay, so this is the gas inlet. This is gonna be for the water piping, water inlet. Also, the unit has a waterfall on the front. Okay, so once this unit is on and connected, there's gonna be a waterfall system for this steam oven. As you can see, you have a faucet over here on the side as well. Okay, so as I mentioned, double steam oven. Okay, this is one of our brand new styles. If you're interested in one of these styles, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact oven. And now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.